is up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be building ourselves a pull-up bar. So don't go anywhere. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, before we begin, let's go over the supplies we're going to be using. We've got 6 pressure-treated 2x4s, a wooden rod that I already had, and lastly some bolts to fasten it all together. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is pick out 2 of these boards that you're going to go ahead and cut in half. And you can see I've already got mine pulled out here that I'm going to cut. So let's go ahead and pull them on over to the cutter. Now this next step is optional. What I'm going to do is round off the ends of all of the boards. And to do this, we want to find something that we're able to trace out a nice circular shape from. And I found that a roll of tape works pretty good for this. So that's what I'm going to use. Now all we gotta do is start drilling the holes for the bolts to go through. And you can see here I've got my drill guide set up to make sure we go straight through. We don't want our holes going crooked now. Now I just want to verify that our bolts are gonna fit through the hole size we drilled here. And actually it's a bit snug, but I think that's how we want it rather than loosey-goosey. So I think I got the perfect size here. Alright, now that we've got these pieces ready to go, it's time to go ahead and take them outside and we'll make the final assembly. But that is where we're going to end today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.